The Audi Innovation Award is an initiative for designers from the region to pitch their most innovative concept that fit with the annual theme from Audi. This year, that theme was Simplification.
Yeah, we're very excited to win the Audi Innovation Award. Pincher is basically, it's kind of the physical interpretation of a pinch of salt. We wanted to simplify seasoning our food with salt and pepper. Moving forward, there's a lot to do, and having the support of the Audi team and the mentorship and the financial support they're going to be giving us to take this to the next level and potentially developing it into a line of products is really amazing.
Being innovative is important. We were looking for intuitive designers in the Middle East to redesign everyday products so that they are simpler to use, to transport, that use less material or energy to be manufactured, or are easier to operate or store. We are excited to continue to further support designs in the region.